We have 4 different styles of stretch table cover options to choose from. Our first style is our 3-sided coverage with an arched back. This style features full coverage on the front, left, and right sides, with the back being partially open. The open back is arched and allows you to easily store items under the table or use chairs with the table. Our second style is our 4-sided cover option with no zipper. This style has all its sides fully covered. This coverage limits the access you have to the underside of the table, but has a more complete look from all sides.